What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys some arm workouts that you can do here at home without weights. Arms are probably one of the hardest parts of the body to work out without weights. So I'm going to be showing you guys some exercises. I've got 5 or 6 exercises. I'm just gonna kind of pick and choose which ones. Some are beginner, some are pretty advanced. So I'm just gonna be kind of going through them and seeing how my arms feel. I don't hit arms very often, so I'm a little weak up here. So we're gonna get through this together. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And workout videos are something that's new to my channel, but I did one workout video last week and I got a lot of requests for more. So here I am today making this arm video, and let's get started. The first exercise we're gonna do is called the shoulder taps. This is good for your core and your arms as well. It's mostly good for this back side of your arm and then a little bit along your back side right here. So for girls, you could call this the bra bulge area, kind of where when you wear a really tight bra, we get this weird little bulge right here. So it's always good to exercise the tricep area and this outer back shoulder. So shoulder taps, we're gonna do 3 sets of 30. What you wanna do is you wanna get into a plank position like this. And you wanna go up like this, and then you wanna just tap your shoulders, just like it says. Just tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try to keep your body as straight as possible and just move your arms. That's kind of what the goal is. You don't want to do too much body rocking because then your form is bad and you're not going to feel it in the targeted areas. So now let's do the workout. Done. This next exercise is also really good for your outer arm, most likely your tricep area. It's also good for your core. We're gonna be doing a plank with an arm extension. We're not gonna be doing 3 sets of 30. We're gonna be doing 3 sets of 1 minute or 60 seconds. So have your phone handy so you can time yourself. And I've got my phone right here and I'm gonna open up the timer. What you wanna do is you wanna plank here, just like you would normally plank. Try to get your body as flat as possible so you can kind of see how my butt is like sunken in, but I'm not like this. I'm just nice and flat, like this. So try to get your body as flat as possible. And I swear this hair makes everything harder. Now what you wanna do is you wanna go down into your plank position, and then right when you're about to start, you wanna just click the start button, and this is how you do it. So plank, arm extension. Plank, arm extension. And you're really gonna feel it, not only in your core, but also in your outer arm right here. This is really gonna tighten up your triceps, and without using weight, you're not gonna bulk up, you're not gonna get beefy arms, which is what a lot of girls are afraid of, like myself. You're just gonna tone right here, because you don't want that loose chicken skin. Not a good look, girl. This is one of the more advanced workouts, so you're gonna feel it, but we're gonna get through it. And if you can't hold it for 60 seconds, just hold it for 30 seconds so that you can at least get that workout, and it's really gonna tighten up your arms. You're gonna see in the long run as you continue to do this. So don't give up. I know it's gonna be hard, but just let's get through this. Going down in the plank position, get your body flat. Let's do this. Arm out like a Superman, back down, arm out. Okay, the next exercise is pretty easy, and these are called arm circles. And what you wanna do is you just wanna leave your arms out flat and you just wanna rotate them in circles. And it takes a lot of these to actually feel the burn, but the more you do them, the more your arms will tighten up. Arms out, we're gonna do 3 sets of 10. And what you wanna do is you wanna go 1 forward, 1 back. 1 forward, 1 back. So 1 forward and 1 back is 1 rep, right? So I'm like, is it? Yes, it is. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that is how you do those. Really, really simple. You will feel it. And if you don't feel it after 3 sets of 10, you can do 4 sets of 10 or 3 sets of 20, depending on how advanced or how beginner you are at your workouts. This next exercise is a good old push-up. I cannot do man push-ups or, you know, full body, like off the ground push-ups, so I always go with girl push-ups. If you are a dude, just do regular push-ups. Push-ups are so good for you, good for your back, good for your arms, good for your back, depending on how you use them. So for us girls, I happen to take a wider arm stance. So if I was this way, I would show you I do this, wider. If you go more narrow, you're focusing more on your chest. So it just depends on where you want the workout to be. I go wider so it hits the outside of my arms, but also girls, by going wider, it tightens up the skin around your boobs right here. Like the outer boob, it can tighten up this area and actually give your boobs a little lift if you keep, you know, up with your push-ups, if you keep doing your push-ups. I don't do full body off the ground push-ups like a dude. I really don't do that because it's too much strain on my chest. I have fake boobs, so it doesn't feel good, and I don't like that. So what I do is I just go with the girl push-ups, knees down, and I just like this, and it's perfect. I like to keep my head straight and look up, kind of like a plank, because the head is one of the heaviest parts of your body. So if you're actually looking down, you're kind of cheating your workout, because if you look straight, you'll notice it's a little bit harder to do a push-up. So I recommend looking forward while you do your push-ups. 3 sets of 15, let's get it. Next workout is called the Cobra Triceps, and we're gonna be doing 3 sets of 15. You're basically just gonna go on your belly like this and just push yourself up. 3 sets of 15. It's not very hard, but you will feel the burn after 3 sets of 15, trust me. And it's targeting your triceps, so that's the back of your arms where we get that like little jiggle. One little tip is to keep your arms very close to your body. You don't want to be too out here, because then it's going to actually target a different part of your body. It probably will target your chest. So in order for it to really hit your triceps, you want to keep your arms close to your body like a snake, like a cobra, and just lift up. And you're really going to feel the burn. And don't worry about your arms going completely straight like this. You don't have to worry about that. Just do it until you're up like this. And you're gonna feel the burn more. Just keep your arms tucked right into your side and you're gonna be fine. So I'm just gonna do this 3 sets of 15. Let's get it. All right guys, so that is the workout for the day. I hope you enjoyed this routine. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.